Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make no-churn vanilla ice cream. If this is what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and watch till the end, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So the ingredients we'll need are heavy whipping cream. I've whipped up mine just a little bit, not too stiff, and we also need condensed milk, and we also need vanilla flavor and egg yolk. But please, the egg yolk is optional. You can skip the part if you're scared of eating raw egg, but if you want a velvety and smooth feel to the mouth when you eat your ice cream, then please use the egg yolk. And also you can check YouTube on how to pasteurize raw eggs, so you know you're safe. So what we're going to just do right now is mix everything up, and in a separate bowl I'm just going to add in my condensed milk and the egg yolk, and I'm just going to mix it up together. Please, if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for now? Please subscribe, and please give the video a thumbs up, and please share this video if you find it very useful, so other people can see it and watch and learn from it as well. And also please leave me a comment. I'd love to read your comments. So next we're going to add the vanilla flavor and still mix it together. Now we're going to add our heavy whipping cream, and we're going to mix it in little batches just to make sure that it still has little volume in it. So just batch by batch until you've exhausted the whole whipping cream. You're just going to mix it up together. So now you're just going to pour in into your container, or whatever container you have, it's okay. Just pour it in your container and cover up in cling film, and please let the cling film touch the surface of the mixture of your ice cream. And then we're going to store and freeze for 6 hours, preferably overnight. And our ice cream is ready. Very yummy no-churn vanilla ice cream. Believe me, you want to try this recipe right away. Just few ingredients. If you don't have condensed milk, just quickly watch my video. I'm going to leave it in the eye icon on how to make condensed milk right now. And also, just if you don't have heavy whipping cream in your house, just quickly go to the store, grab your heavy whipping cream, and just make yourself an ice cream and feel good, feel happy, and enjoy. So I'm just going to scoop this ice cream into my bowl, and I'm going to enjoy my ice cream and watch some movies. And oh gosh, please, you need to make this ice cream. So please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, help my channel grow. And I'll see you in my next video. And also please leave me a suggestion on videos you like for me to make, what the kind of videos you love to see, recipes you love to see. And this is our ice cream. Very yummy something. So please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Love you.